You're gonna hear it, you're gonna feel it, and you may even see it. This guy's got a list of suspension problems. We're gonna go through it. It's not ready for the junkyard. Do not retire your vehicle. You can fix it, and it's easier than you might think. Did you know that suspension parts are part of the general maintenance of a vehicle after you've hit a certain amount of miles on a car? Or maybe you're in a place that you hit a lot of potholes. Regardless, there's a lot of parts on a vehicle that need to be replaced after some wear and tear. So I just came back from a road test. I took the wheels off, and I noticed on the road test that it's making all kinds of noise. Clunkety clunk over the bumps, and it's not even big bumps. So we know we have a problem in the front end. So I'm looking at it. I see a ripped boot here, which is not good because that means dirt can get in there. And when you get dirt in there, you're going to end up with leaking. And you got a lot of leakage here, and I'm seeing it going all the way down the shaft. So we know the strut is no good. I noticed when I was going around curves on the road test that the whole car kind of wanted to keep going. I felt a little bit out of control. So I'm looking at the sway bar link, and I'm going to put my pry bar in there. And it's visibly moving around all in the wrong way, and that's not good. So those need to be replaced as well. That also will cause a lot of clunkety clunk when you're going down the road. So we've looked at the front, we showed you what was wrong with that. I checked the other side too, and it's just as bad. Now we're in the back, we're looking at the shock, and I'm seeing a lot of crud. We also have a lot of buildup, and you can see down here, and it's all this seepage going down. So you know this shock is no good. We did a bounce test earlier, and that thing was just going up and down, and it wasn't stopping. So we're definitely gonna have to replace the shocks. With this vehicle, it needs a lot of work, and it makes a lot of noise, and it's got a lot of strange things going on. Fortunately, I'm gonna get a kit at 1A Auto, and it's gonna take care of every single thing. So let's see what we get with it. Okay, we got 2 struts, we got sway bar links, and we have rear shocks. So here we are looking side by side at our struts. This is the old one, obviously. Just a tech tip, you can leave your sway bar link in the old one with this kit because it comes with a sway bar link. I would not put this in yet until this is installed. Now let's see the difference between these 2 shocks. Obviously the old one and the new one. I'm going to push down on them. And then we're going to let go. I think it's safe to say this one's no good if it's not even coming back up. Well, this car's got a new lease on life, and so can yours with this kit. So now, as you know, you got to go down and get an alignment anytime you do any sort of suspension work, so make sure you get that done, and now you'll be good for a long time.